Sorry. Come on, you know it. And you're not here. Don't be shy. And then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Oh, thank you. Right, let me ask you, is anyone here a fan of Harry Styles? No, you are? Okay, you put your hand up, you're gonna have to come and sing it with me. No, okay, okay. No kidding, this song's for you, okay? Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold up the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say, and everything gets in the way. But since you cannot be replaced, am I the one who'll stay? Oh, oh, oh. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was, as it was, as it was. You know it's not the same. Right, would you mind doing me a tiny little favor? Just a tiny, tiny little favor. Clap your hands! Preferably along to the rhythm of the song, but it's not required. If you want to clap to something else. Okay, most of you have done it before. Seems like some of you haven't, so let me just show you, just in case. It's very, very easy. You kind of just take this hand, and then you take the other one, and then you just slam them together. Try it, it's really fun, try it. Go home, get our headlights, beat in the net. I don't want to talk about the way that it was. So leave America, 2 kids follow her. I don't want to talk about us doing it first. Woo! In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was, as it was, as it was. No, it's okay, you can stop clapping now, but thank you. As it was. Thank you. Cheers, everyone. Thank you so much. Right.